What's going on, guys? So today's video is going to be a apartment tour. If you've been subscribed to me for a while now, you know I usually do these when I'm moving out of my place, and we are moving out this weekend, so I wanted to make this video. Some of the stuff is missing a little bit, but most of it that you usually see every day is still here in place. So let's get into the tour. This is where you walk in, and the first thing that you see when you walk in is our kitchen. So we got a decent sized little kitchen here. This is a studio apartment. It's basically the same exact size as a one bedroom for this complex, but the only thing that's different is there's no actual door that separates the bedroom, and I'll show you guys that once we get there. But back to the kitchen. So we got a kitchen here. It has stone countertops, undermount sink, stainless steel appliances, decent cabinet space. All in all, it's pretty nice. I do like the kitchen in this place. One of the things that I don't like about this apartment is that the walls are pretty thin. So if I'm up against this wall or up against the wall in the bedroom, I can hear my neighbors whenever they're talking. I can't really make out what they're saying, but I can hear them talking. It's just muffled. So that's kind of annoying. And then they can also hear me, obviously. So back to the kitchen, we got the Keurig and a nice blender for our shakes in the morning. And then over here, we don't actually have a table. We have a peninsula with a 12-inch overhang. That's actually a 10, I believe, and then the 12 is over here. So this is where we eat. This is where we sit when we eat. And then if we go into the living room, which is over here, we have our couch. This is the couch here, the blankets. We got a little memory board here, some art, and then this is where I actually film most of my videos that I make when I'm sitting down. These are the lights that I recently got. This is for the desk, so it can come up. Our computers, printer, some other stuff. This is for a project that we got going on that we'll talk to you guys about that later. We're still working on that. And then here's a computer desk I got from IKEA last year. Our rug, nothing too crazy. Over here we got our plants. So this is our money tree, aloe vera. I'm not sure what that is, and a whole bunch of succulents that my mom gave me recently. And
she gave it to me.
She gave them to you, and this is like the best we've ever done with plants. Our first ones that we got died quick, but these ones here have been staying alive for a while now.
R.I.P.
That one's dying. I don't know why that one's dying too, because it's a succulent. Like, it should live pretty easy. Over here, if you come over here, so here's obviously our internet router, and then I got my PlayStation. What is this? I don't even know what this is. 4?
Yeah.
I'm so lost. That's the gold PlayStation 4 I got a while ago. That's also in one of my previous videos. Haven't played COD in months now. But yeah, so this is our dresser too. And then if we come over here, so we got laundry and dryer in our unit here. They're stacked on top of each other, so that's nice, and they're pretty new. Everything in here this place was built only a couple years ago, so everything's like pretty new. Here's our fridge. Over here we got our calendar with stuff that we write on it for each month. And then this is the bathroom right here. We got stone countertops, we got some nice cabinets, big old mirror. And then over here we got our toilet and our tub, which is a nice little size. This is a decent sized bathroom for us. And then just the towels and the laundry in here. So if you come over here, we got our closet where we just hang our jackets and sweaters and stuff that we use all the time, and put some shoes in there. We also do put our shoes right there on top of that thing that we got recently. That was in one of my old videos too. So back over here, we got some pictures and memories and stuff here. So this is our bedroom. Like I was saying, it's a studio, so it's not a one bedroom. And we've lived in a one bedroom here in this complex, and literally the only difference is that there's a door here, a regular bedroom door, but it's $100 cheaper to not have a door, and it's pretty much the same exact size. So we're in the studio to save some money, And what we did to kind of give us some privacy whenever we need it is we hung up these blackout curtains, and we can just close those whenever we need to. Usually they're open. I would really only use them when Alberta was studying and staying up super late doing her homework, which she already graduated, so I won't have to use those anymore. Anyways, if we get into the bedroom, we got our TV here. This is like a 45-inch or something. And then we got our bed. Over here we got our bed, which was in a previous video. It's a queen size. It's going to be a tight fit in our new place, but you guys will see that later on in another video. We got a dresser right there, closet on the right. And then over here we got her makeup desk that we got from IKEA, and a mirror. I believe we got the mirror as well from IKEA, and then we just bought the lights on Amazon, kind of made it into a vanity. And yeah, here's a shoe rack and then a little clothes hanger place that she uses for her clothes, because originally Alberta lived here by herself. This was where she lived alone, and then I met her, we got to know each other, and then I moved in here with her. When she originally moved in here, how much was the rent when you first started living here?
$725.
$725. We're currently paying $950, I believe. Is it $950? We're paying $950 right now. And since we're gonna move out and we've been here for a while now, they're gonna raise the rent on the new person that lives here, and I believe he's gonna pay almost $1,200 now. So the good thing about living here was that it was really affordable, and we are pretty much in the middle of the city, so we're close to a lot of things that we usually go to. Okay, so last thing we got is, the cool thing about this place is that you can have small pets here. A lot of people have super small dogs. And then in the back there is like this kind of little walking space. If I open this up, you're going to see a whole bunch of boxes, because I literally am filming this video in between moving out. So once this video is done, we're going to keep on throwing stuff out and putting it into the U-Haul. Okay, so here's our little back area. You can just walk over there to the garbage in the parking lot, or you can go over there. It might take you to the street. I never walk over there. But the cool thing about this place is that you can let your dog run around and stuff. Right now the grass is super long. Usually they keep it trimmed. So that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. All in all, I really like this place. Me and Alberta have a whole bunch of memories here. We've lived here for the longest time. We got married in this complex. We met each other when she lived here. We've lived here for a while. We know this apartment complex so well, and we got really used to it. And there's a lot of nice things that come with this place. But all in all, we are taking the next step in life. We just bought our first place. It's currently getting remodeled, and we should be moving into it pretty soon. I forgot to mention, this place is like 425 square feet. And yeah, so hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.